Hello, I'm going to run you through a quick walkthrough of how the FencyCoin network works. If you want to see a longer version of this, there's a 10-minute video. Just check the link down in the description. Okay, we've got a FencyCoin mobile app, works on Android and iOS. We've also got this device which interfaces with point of sale systems. The hardware and the software will turn network of merchants into validation stations so that they can validate transactions and balances for each other instead of paying a bank to do that. So what you'll do as a consumer is the first thing you'll do is you'll get the app and you will add your payment information to it, and your debit cards, credit cards, your bank account information, and with that we can then track them on the network. So I've added a card in there that we're going to use for demonstration purposes. So what we're going to do in the beginning then is we're going to go over here to this device that's going to let's simulate Route 66 diner here, and let's say that I take a bunch of friends out to dinner and it costs $120, and so we've got pay with FencyCoin or pay with card. We're going to pay with our credit card. And notice we're not using the app at all with this. We're going to assume I swiped my card here, and there's some pre-entered information in there for demonstration, and we're going to submit this. And the network is automatically going to know it's me by my payment information. So I don't even have to use the app. It's got my name there. It's got the 6 FencyCoins that I earned, my 5% bonus for shopping with my card. And if we go back to the balance screen, then it's going to update, and we're going to see that there is my 6 FencyCoin bonus in there. So I got a total of $48.50. That also equals $48.50. So now I actually want to go and spend my FencyCoins, and this is where I'm going to need the app. So what I'm going to do is, let's say we go to Frontier, and we're going to go here, and I bought some lunch, so we're going to spend $15 and $15.25, and instead of pay with credit card, we're going to do a FencyCoin transaction. So what's going to happen is now a pending transaction is created on the network. We're going to go to the app here and go to the pay screen, and it's going to want us to scan this. And we're going to look at this, and we're going to want to confirm this information as the consumer. And when I click on yes here, what's going to happen is we're going to sign that transaction on the distributed ledger network. And you can see how quickly it happens there, that transaction has now reached the merchant. And if we go to this other screen, then we'll be able to see how it's being added to the block and to the network. And it happens pretty quickly. Just within seconds. So now this has already been distributed to all the merchants, so the entire network is updated with my balances. And if we go back to the balance screen here, then we will be able to see where I went and spent my FencyCoins. And so there we go, $15.25 at the Frontier, and there's my new balance. And in a nutshell, that's kind of how the FencyCoin network works. So like I said, if you want to see a longer version, check the link down below. But thank you for watching.